Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. By liking this video, you will help others just like yourself be able to find my home decor videos more easily. Today I will be showing you how I created this cute Be Mine mug using a Dollar Tree mug. The first thing I did was open up Design Space and added a square the size I wanted for the mug. Then I clicked Add Text and typed out my saying. I wanted to use a Ray Dunn inspired font but couldn't remember the name. I clicked on my browser and went to wordmark.it. You can use this free website to see what your words will look like with any font loaded on your computer. I found the font I wanted, Kitchen Home. I can't remember where I got this font from, but I know it was free because I never pay for fonts. I went back to Design Space and found the font and applied it to my wording and sized it to fit my square. Since this was a small cutout, I found a piece of scrap black vinyl and applied it to my mat. I then sent the cut file to my Cricut. This was a small cut, so it didn't take long to cut it out. After the vinyl was cut, I removed it from the mat by pulling the mat away from the vinyl. This helps to keep the vinyl from rolling, usually, but as you can see, mine rolled anyway. I trimmed the vinyl, weeded it, and applied it to the transfer paper. I used rubbing alcohol and a paper towel to remove any dirt and oils from the cup. This helps the vinyl to adhere to the mug better. I applied the vinyl to the mug, making sure the lettering was straight, and then removed the transfer paper. I used a thin piece of fabric and my iron to heat the vinyl and help it to adhere to the mug. And that was it. This is a simple DIY and can be used on so many different objects or given as a gift. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!